good sheep. I wanted to share this this character invention before this pamphlet gets any more worn. I call him Peace Rabbit, and he was invented. I invented him. He was invented through me to be basically such an obviously good idea. It probably should have been thought of a long time ago, but for some reason it was given to me. Perhaps because I'm responsible with it. With all of this, I'm trying to be. And sharing it instead of letting money get in the way of these ideas. But it seems that not having money to advertise or boost my YouTube or Facebooks or websites or anything is actually preventing the scene legitimacy, I guess. Anyway, Peace Rabbit, man. Obviously, come on, man, guys. He's a band that looks like a peace sign, and he obviously makes a rabbit. His knuckle is right there. It's just crazy eye, and then his nail, thumbnail. And this is his first. This is Peace Rabbit's first presentation. He would like to present the activist booklet, which is the medium of which he's presenting it on. Hi, I'm Peace Rabbit, a peace activist. An activist is someone who uses their actions to help the world in some way. I use my actions to help the world have more peace. Today I'm going to show you how to make these activist booklets so that you can be an activist too and share your helpful information with people in a fun new way. Step number 1, fold paper. Hot dog or hamburger style. There are exactly 2 types of activists. Ones that work on solutions that are dependent on this economy being functioning, and then there are those that work on solutions that will not be dependent on this functioning economy, that they think will eventually collapse. Step number 2 is to fold the paper again. In other words, there are activists who attempt to prop up the economic house of cards, and then there are those activists who attempt to make a new sustainable structure safely off to the side. Step number 3, fold paper in half the other way. In other words, there are activists who are attempting to plug the holes in the economic boat, and then there are activists who are using the time and resources on board the sinking ship to make vessels that will float sustainably. Step number 4 is unfold paper and cut a slit along the center fold. These activist pamphlets are an example of the second type of activism because they teach the practical actions that empower people, and they are not dependent on electricity or functioning economy in order to be made, read, and reread. Step number 5 is fold paper in half and then open up the center like that. So remember to consider whether your activism will still be able to help people without a functioning economy, so that it will be able to help them when they most need it. When they need it most. Step number 6, fold into a booklet, crease the edges, add your useful how-to info, and make copies of it to share. Activist booklet. issue number 1 of Peace Rabbit is brought to you by homelessshepherds.org. Check out our other helpful sustainable solutions online while you still can.